Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character 如 step by step. I will write it in regular script, then following one word and one sentence. Now let's get started. 如 as if, such as, 如果 if, in case. Let me know if you need any help. "如果要帮忙，跟我说。如果要帮忙，跟我说。Let me know if you need any help. 如果要帮忙，跟我说。如果要帮忙，跟我说。如 in cursive. 如 如 as if, such as. 如果 if, in case. Let me know if you need any help. 如果要帮忙，跟我说。Please comment any words or sentence with Chinese character 如. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.